Beacon just did its thing. Beacons just killed the game. Okay, they have come up with a way for us to send messages, DM messages, with just keywords. Instead of using ManyChat, you can use Beacons, and it's free. This deserves. Hold on, this deserves a dance break. What amazing tools that have to do a dance break. Okay, and don't worry if you don't know how to do this, because I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do it. What's up? My name is Jessica. I go by Joss Speaks Digital. I'm your unofficial digital media strategist, as you know. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe and follow, like this video so that it pushes it up in the algorithm, so I'll create more videos like this. And if you like this video, if you're walking through it and you're like, oh my gosh, this is amazing, go ahead and comment more in the comment section anytime throughout this video. So in this video, I'm going to be going through it. So if you want to try this out, I put links in the descriptions, all the things. But listen here, you had better get on this, because who knows how long they're going to leave this for free, because you know how these tool companies be. Yeah, 1 minute is free, 1 minute is $4.95. So while it's free, go ahead and use this, because this is an amazing way for you to deliver your lead magnets, your freebies, your course links, your one-on-one links, whatever it is that you want to deliver. You don't have to physically do that anymore. This is taking care of it for you. Also, you get to DM them, so you start the relationship with the client. Let's just hop into it. Let me show you guys this amazing tool and what it can do. Pull the lever, Kronk. If only I had a Kronk. Anyway, here we go. Okay, so once you're inside of Beacons, if you've already created your product and you already have the product inside of your store that you want to send out when someone comments whatever your word is, then you can go ahead and move to step 2, which is to create your smart reply. If you don't, then you want to start here with step 1. So what you're going to do here is click on store. You're going to click on new product, which is listed here. And if it's a digital product, you know, a PDF, an ebook, whatever it is, you know, it's digital, then you're going to go ahead and click here. You can also do appointment links. You can do courses. You can do membership links, all that good stuff. But we're going to go ahead and start with the digital product. All right. So I've already created my digital product. I know what I want them to say. I'm going to go here and add in additional features. I'm going to change the name of it, because for this one, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and I'll give them a link to my Saturday strategy session waitlist. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click this little icon here, and it will pull up our title. All right, so we have that here, and I already have a description. If you don't have a description, you can actually use their AI, and if you put in the name of your title, it will prompt you and give you a really great description. Now I'm all out of the different you've reached your limit of free AI generations, so I would need to upgrade to get credits in order to use this. But you can also use ChatGPT, you can use Gemini. I really like to use Gemini. So Google has their own AI, if you didn't know, and it is called Gemini. And Gemini, I'll show you guys real quick. Gemini is pretty cool. Create, and I just put my product in there. Okay, and so what it'll do is generate a description. Are you ready to elevate your digital marketing game? Join our exclusive digital marketing, yada yada yada. Right now, if I wanted to, I can just put this little part. So I'm going to just take that part and say this is an exclusive event that happens once a month, and spaces are limited to 25 people. So I'll only take 25 people during our Saturday strategy sessions. Bring your questions and get support, limited spots, join us for a day of, okay. So I'll just put like join a wait list as the button here. Get on the wait list. Okay. And then sometimes what I like to do is just go into Gemini and just jazz this up. Give me 10 options for a CTA button. And then it'll give me 10 options. Don't miss out. Be the first to know. Join the mastermind. Limited offer. Secure your seat. So let's go here. Click, put that jump on the list there. Okay, cool. So this would be my landing page. Now, obviously, I do want to change this image. So I am going ahead. I can mock up an image. I'm going to use my mock-up image. You guys can imagine that I'm utilizing the correct image for this product, but I just want to show you guys the images that I created in the last video since it didn't come out very well. 10 AI tools for content creators, and I did a mock-up for it. So this is the mock-up here. And I did this inside of Canva. It literally took me about 3 minutes to, well, I won't even say 3 minutes. I'm going to say about 60 seconds to put this in here and mock it up. If you guys want a video that shows you exactly how to mock up your PDFs and your downloads and your ebooks inside of Canva, just go ahead and comment down below this video, mock up PDF. Okay, so if you comment mock up PDF, I'll know that there's enough interest in me creating that video, and I'll go ahead and get that video out to you guys and put it here on YouTube. So this is the mock-up that I created, and let's see, we're going to go ahead and accept it. It's going to resize it and crop it, and this is it. Now, obviously, these two don't match, so I'm not going to use this, but I just wanted to show you guys. I also did another mock-up that I'm super proud about that I think is really cute, and I'm just going to add it to the carousel here, and it is this one here. Now, you can put multiple pictures in here. It doesn't have to be just one. It can be multiple images, and you can do like a little carousel thing with them, as you can see here, which is pretty cool, right? So I may go ahead and do something with this mock-up and just add in a picture so that there's something else on there. And there is no cost to join this list, so I'm going to go ahead and make sure that the cost on here is at 0. So we're going to go to price. We're going to make this product free, and there we go. Okay, that's all set. Now, obviously I need to change this to something else. I'll kind of decide what I want to change this to in a little while. Let me see. I think I may actually have an image that I can change this to. Video to get it out. We're going to go ahead and just use this image, and that's all done. Now, the next thing I want to do is remove these other two. So we're just going to click on the X here and click on the X here. And we're going to click on next. Okay. Now this is where I'm going to place the link to that they can go ahead and leave a keyword. So we're going to go ahead and go to Smart Reply. Here's where we're going to create our keyword. There's a couple of different ways you can create keywords. You can either do this one here, which is add new post Smart Reply. So on the actual post, only that one post, they would have to go ahead and leave a comment inside of that one post. But I actually prefer to do the second one, which is the add global post. That means they can comment on any post that I put out there and put the words that I'm going to have coming up here. I'm going to put add global post, and I think I put DM. Yeah, it's DMSS. Okay, so that's what they would comment in order to get access to the link to join the waitlist. And as you can see, super easy. DMSS, they get that link, and it shouldn't say buy now. I'm going to go change that, but that is what it is. Super easy. Now there is another one that you can do. It says this smart reply will trigger when someone replies to your story or DMs you directly. This is awesome because I also can go in and put DMSS. So if someone sends me a DM, they're also going to go ahead, and I can change this test. Actually, I'm going to use that other text that it said, get in line, or save your seat, or hold my spot. Let's go with that one. I like all of these actually. So let's go with hold my spot. Okay. And there we go. Cool. Now when they send me a DM, it go ahead and send out this link. I freaking love this. This is a game changer. Game changer. If you go to ManyChat, it will take you literally about, the least amount of time that I've spent in ManyChat trying to set something up like this is about 45 minutes. Now you don't have to worry about that. You can literally just get beacons, sign up for beacons, and get your DMs popping, get your engagement popping on Instagram, right? Because folks, when they leave a comment, other people can see their comment. So if you leave a comment on someone's post, your audience can see the comment on that post, right? So it drives engagement. It helps with growth. And it also helps with you getting more people to visit your profile and follow you as well, right? So, and we want people to see this, comment on it. That person will then turn into hopefully a community member, and that leads to more sales, more clients, and hopefully more revenue. Well, not even hopefully, it will lead to more revenue. Okay. So that is what I have for you guys. Super easy to do. I love this. On a scale from 1 to 10, I will absolutely give this tool a 9. The only reason I won't give it a 10 is because it would have been great if they would have put some type of AI, like create a link, or use this keyword and create a link. That would have been bomb, right? Where you don't have to do all the extra steps. But this isn't that many steps. It really isn't. It's pretty simple and direct. 3 options again: add to one post, add to multiple posts, or add as a DM if you want people to DM you. And these smart replies will do it all. I wish I'd had this last year. I was doing a lot of DM me's last year, but this is a game changer. And I am on the free plan, by the way, you guys, of Beacons. Imagine if you go for the paid. So if you want to join Beacons, if you don't have a Beacons account as of yet, you will get a discount by using my link to do it. So I am an affiliate of Beacons, but they have not sponsored this video. I'm giving you guys a real, true, authentic, honest review of this particular tool, but you can go ahead and sign up down in my description and get a link, or get to access the discount through my link if you sign up utilizing my links. Let me know down in the comment section if you have signed up for a Beacons account. If this video was helpful, go ahead and let me know just by saying helpful in the comment section. I'll see you all in the next video again. Peace.